We just came out with this new style clamp. This is a special clamp that does not have a nut on the bottom, a bolt, a knob, anything else. What it has is a big heavy industrial spring with a set screw here. The set screw will be able to let you set the tension you need on your joints or on your boards. When you have that set properly, you can take and you can clamp one thickness material, like a thin piece of paper, release it, you just hit the black lever, that releases it, then you can come in and you can clamp something thicker like 3 inches of wood. If you want to go down to 3/4, it's no problem. Any thickness you want to clamp, you just go ahead and clamp it. On a workbench or on a drill press or router table, when you need to clamp your wood in place, you can clamp it with security there. If you have a pocket hole jig, you can take your pocket hole jig, set it in your clamp, take and drill your holes, clamp it, unclamp it, clamp it again, and screw your joint together. It's all done with one clamp with no adjustment. The clamp comes in 2 sizes. The clamp here is a 7-inch. This is a 10-inch clamp. The operation is the same on both clamps. The only difference is the length of the jaw. Okay, we have a new style of a shelf pin jig. It's not the normal jig that you've been looking at in the last 10 years. This one's different. I had trouble making my own cabinets work with the shelf pin jig that I've been buying because the pinholes were either too close to style or they were in the panel. That wouldn't work for me. So what I did, I came up with an idea of putting a 3rd set of holes in. This 3rd set of holes, they're 3/4 from the edge. That way you're getting the holes right in the center of your style. That'll work on a lot better for you. Right now, when you look inside of a cabinet, you can see these holes because they're further back. With my jig, now the holes are closer to the face frame so you don't see them near as easily. We're going to show you how to use this. We'll take our shelf pin jig, set it in, have it bump up against your face frame on your cabinet, take your clamp. It'll come with a 5mm or a 1/4 inch drill bit. You go ahead and you drill your holes. Once you get your holes drilled up so far, we're going to have to move our shelf pin jig. So we'll loosen up our clamp, move our jig up. Now it doesn't line up quite right. So what we're going to do is take our pin, set our pin in a hole, line it up with the hole you already have drilled in there. Go ahead, clamp it again, and drill the rest of your holes. Okay, if you're doing a European style cabinet, we're going to take our handle, screw the handle onto our shelf pin jig. This will keep it square while you go and drill your holes. So you start at the bottom, again you just move it up, and it just keeps it nice and square. It does come with 2 drill bits. You can have your choice of either taking a 1/4 inch bit for your 1/4 inch hole, or if you prefer, you take the 5mm bit, which gives you a smaller hole. You'll have a choice of either bit, the 1/4 or the 5mm. That's it. If you like anything you just seen on this DVD, feel free to call us at Cabinet Hardware Solutions, toll free 1-800-656-4504, or look